because tetulina nyo extra set tugenda kukola. Tebe eyo temuggyako obutebe obwo. Mami ali mu red. Tebe eyo tuggyako obutebe obwo. Obutebe tebubuteeka kumujja kugenda extra outside. Ezo ziri okuzimala temwongerako. Okay. Temwongerako. Feel free to sit anywhere. Good enough ekifo kigazi. Entebe zentono ekifo kyekigazi. So bw'oba ofunye entebe, sit anywhere you prefer to sit and enjoy the function. Akatebe kagaana ng'ofuna grass. You ask for a grass, not a seat. A grass. Kirungi nti amaka akaze ekimala. So we are about to have the service. After the service, that Rina Reverend already is in place. Again, up to our service. Service Yokwebaza. When we are welcoming Joseph at home. At this function, for people who are here, we are just welcoming our children back home. We're just welcoming our children back home. So don't expect that this is a wedding, this is not an introduction. This is just welcome back home. This is how we are saying welcome to our son and our daughter, Joseph and Ritah. So, feel free to have your seat. You guys, you have just overwhelmed us. Mwagala Ritah bantu mwe. Mwagala ba Kaggwa, you've just overwhelmed us. We didn't expect this turn up. But we are just overwhelmed. Thank you so much for loving Ritah. Thank you so much for loving the Kaggwas. Just feel free. Find anywhere to sit and have your seat. And we see how the function is gonna go. Ritah is just in the corner. She's joining us very soon. And then we shall have the clergies to take us forward in the service. Then after the service, we shall enjoy the evening. We're gonna eat, we're gonna drink. That's all. Entertainment. We have entertainers in the house who are going to give us some good entertainment. We have comedy in the house. We're going to laugh. We're going to laugh our intestines out. So, just have fun. Just enjoy the moment. Now, people who have just joined us, this front part is not NOC high table. NOC high table. If you want to take a photo, just come here, sit, pause, take a photo. This is yours. And if we can do this right now, nga enjuba ekyaliko bulungi, ng'ekifaananyi kikyayaka bulungi. Omanye abantu abamu ekifaananyi kirina okwaka omusana gukyaliyo. Bwe gugolooba mutandika okukontana ne kamera. So you can just come here and take a photo. And even this place, whenever you si wange, tubatekeddewo MC, wano si wa MC. Wano wamwe, you can come here, you stand up, come here with your drink, have fun, enjoy the moment. Ababadde okola business deals, you can sign a business deal right now here. So this place is yours. Enjoy the moment. I'm Zion. I'll be your MC of the evening, and I believe we shall enjoy the moment. DJ, thank you.